This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Mark Gibson. 3,800 plus square feet and price to sell in Morrison Plantation. Home features an open floor plan with tons of upgrades. Downstairs, this open floor plan home includes a large guest suite, dining, and living room, as well as a spacious family room, west/built-in surround sound, and kitchen. Kitchen is open to family room and includes granite countertops as well as brand new DW and refrigerator, fridge conveys. Step outside into your private backyard with huge 24x47 maintenance-free deck with built-in seating. Upstairs includes 4 additional bedrooms plus a huge bonus room with double French doors and built-in surround sound. The master bedroom is huge with a raised sitting area and large master bath. Laundry room is equipped with gas cooktop for canning. Walls and trim are freshly painted. Morrison Plantation is an active community with clubhouse, swimming, tennis, basketball, walking/nature trails, multiple playgrounds, and is super convenient to everything. Don't miss this one. For more information, review